Today we're making peanut butter blossoms. It combines a peanut butter cookie with a Hershey Kiss. And my kids, we've made these since they were little, and they always said it looked like a hug and a kiss. So let's see what we need to get started. You will need a half a cup of shortening, 3/4 cup of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1½ cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to combine the brown sugar, shortening, and peanut butter together with the mixer. Add the vanilla extract. The milk, an egg, add the baking soda and the flour. Get this all mixed together. We're going to bake these at 375 for 12 to 15 minutes. As soon as your cookies come out of the oven, go ahead and put a Hershey Kiss pressed down in the middle of each of the cookies. We're going to let these sit for about 5 minutes before getting them off of the cookie tray. This recipe will yield 24 cookies, and I just let them cool thoroughly on a rack, and then I put them in a container, like a glass container that has a top on it, and store them on the counter. It doesn't take too long, these kids, to go through these cookies, let me tell you. But anyway, that's how you make peanut butter blossoms. I hope they become a family tradition and you enjoy them as much as our family has.